In Agiloft, it's easy to see information in records the way you want to see it. This is generally done by managing views. When you're looking at a table of records, you may choose what fields to display and how they are shown by creating your own view or choosing from existing views. For instance, here is a view that shows a large text field on a separate line to show more information at one time. Let's create a new view. First, choose which icons to show next to each record. Then choose how many lines to show per record and the fields that you want to see. Let's suppose for contracts we want to see the contract title, company, contract manager, status, ID, contract amount, and contract end date. Let's choose the fields from the list. Most fields are displayed well by leaving the column width set to automatic. You can also define the maximum width of a column by choosing a specific value. If you want to see attached files, you can select the Contract Files field. If you select a View or Edit checkbox next to a field name, it will show this field as a hyperlink, which will allow you to view the record or edit it, depending on which box you selected. If you are showing a number field, you can choose the third box to right justify the number in the column. On the Order Colors tab, you choose the field order. We can drag and drop the fields to put them in the right order. If you want to see more of a larger text field, you can move it down to the second row and this field will spread across all the columns. We can also show different coloring or a custom icon based on any choice field in a record. So if you want to see records in a different color based on their current status, we can set that here. For contracts pending approval, let's set a light green background. And for expired contracts, let's use a dark gray font to make them fade into the background. You can also highlight records by using custom icons. To add a custom icon based on the status, choose the Define Notification Icons button. For the status of pending approval, let's browse our selections of icons and choose an icon. You can also upload your own icons if needed. Now let's save our changes. On the General tab, give the view a name. You can also choose the maximum width for the table and a few other options. The Records Per Page option defines how many records are shown on a single screen. The screen loads faster the fewer records per screen. We recommend 30 records for excellent performance. Admin users see an Apply tab and can choose the teams for which this view is available or for which it is the default view. When other users create views, only they can see the view. Now we see the records color-coded and with the custom icon based on the status. And now this view will appear on your list of views. Users can switch between views at any time. Note that views do not contain sorting criteria. Sorting is managed by saved searches instead, and without a search applied, the default sort order is reverse chronological. But within a view, you can always dynamically sort records by clicking on a column heading. Choice fields are sorted according to the order of the choice list. You can sort on more than one field by holding the Shift key and clicking to add another sort criterion. Administrators can manage all views, copy views, and assign them to teams from the Views Manage screen. Regular users can create their own views if given permission to do so, and they can generally edit and delete only their own views. That's it for managing views. Thank you for watching this tutorial.